How to redeem Land's End gift card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to landsend.com. On this web page, you first want to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you can explore the website and add the items that you want to purchase in your bag. As you can see, there are different items to explore from. Once you have added all the items into your bag, you want to click on the bag icon. Then over here you can find all the items. You want to click on the option of Start Checkout. Now the first step is to enter all of your shipping address details. Click on Continue to Payment. Then on the next step, you will have to enter your payment details. Here you're going to find the option of Apply a gift card. Click on this drop-down arrow. Then over here, you will have to enter your gift card number. Then enter your gift card PIN. Both these details will be found on your gift card. Once you have entered the details, click on the Apply option. After you click on the Apply option, the total amount of your gift card balance should be deducted from your total order. Review your order to ensure everything is correct, including the applied gift card balance. Then proceed to complete your purchase by providing any additional required information. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.